Today's tech tip features Classroomscreen.com. This website offers 13 different tools that you can use together to help further your lesson and encourage students to participate. Let's take a look at the website. From Classroomscreen.com, you can click on Launch Now to begin a lesson. Once this page loads, you have options such as changing the background to one that fits your classroom needs. You can also add text for directions, something like "Start your warm-up." This text can then be changed in size, and you can use the arrow to resize the text box. The cursor also allows you to drag the instructions to a place that is best for your students' eyes. To give students a specific amount of time to do the task that you've described on the screen, you can include a timer, and you can change the length of the timer by clicking the plus and minus buttons. And when the timer runs out of time, you'll hear this sound. Then students know the task is done and you can regain their attention. As you can see on the screen, there are several different options to include in your classroom screen. So hop on in to classroomscreen.com and try it out. For additional support with classroomscreen.com, please join us on Thursdays from 4 to 5 for Tech Support Hour. You can get more information and the link to the Zoom session by going to bit.ly/dig learn support. We hope to see you there.